Ever wondered how gymnasts and acrobats achieve such remarkable strength and flexibility? The secret lies in a form of exercise known as calisthenics, derived from the Greek words kalos, meaning beauty, and sthenos, meaning strength, is a training method that uses one's own body weight for resistance. This method develops strength, agility, coordination, and flexibility. Are you intrigued by calisthenics and want to delve deeper into its secrets? Don't hesitate, hit that subscribe button right now and stay tuned for more exciting information on this and other fitness topics. Now, let's delve into the best training techniques in calisthenics. Firstly, focus on mastering the basics. Any calisthenics journey starts with fundamental exercises, such as push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and lunges. These foundational movements target the core muscle groups and help build strength and endurance. Secondly, practice form and technique. In calisthenics, form matters more than the number of repetitions. Paying close attention to form ensures correct muscle engagement and reduces the risk of injury. Thirdly, make use of progressive overload. This involves gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts over time. You can do this by adding more repetitions, increasing the difficulty of exercises, or reducing rest time between sets. Fourthly, incorporate a mixture of static and dynamic exercises. Static exercises like planks and holds build strength and stability, while dynamic exercises like jumps and swings improve agility and cardiovascular fitness. Finally, remember to rest and recover. Muscles need time to repair and grow stronger, so ensure you get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and take rest days in between intense workout sessions. Summarizing, in the journey of calisthenics: 1. Start by mastering the basics: push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and lunges. 2. Prioritize form and technique over the number of reps. 3. Use progressive overload to gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. 4. Mix static and dynamic exercises to strengthen and improve agility. 5. Don't forget to rest and recover for optimal muscle growth and performance. Calisthenics offers a world of benefits, from improved strength and flexibility to better body awareness and control. By following these training techniques, you can tap into the power of calisthenics and transform your fitness journey. So why not give it a try? The only equipment you need is your own body. Don't forget to subscribe for more information and tips on mastering calisthenics. See you in the next video.